What's up, guys? I wanted to make a video of the Brian Brown Yeager. Beautiful knife. I wanted to open it up and check out the inside, find out what's in the inside. Not that anything's wrong with the action on this knife. This knife is amazing. Perfect. Perfectly done. But I got some skiff made bearings I wanted to check out. See if they make a difference to the knife that may improve. Who knows? May make it worse. This is a really good action on this knife though. Like I said, nothing wrong with it. Just wanted to experiment with some stuff. And like I said, I didn't see the inside of this knife on any YouTube video, so I'm gonna get into it and see what's up. All right. I got a T7 for the pivot. No, I'm sorry. T8 for the pivot. T7 for the rest. That was definitely on there pretty good. All right. Pivot's pretty tight. It's a good thing. Like there may be a little tiny bit of Loctite. This knife never been opened before. Taking my time because I don't know what's in this knife. Like I said, there's no video showing the inside of this thing. Well, here it is. The internal stop pin. And some plastic case, or Teflon case bearings. There's both sides of it. It's a pretty simple knife, pretty good. I like the way it's made. Let's see if I got anything that'll fit it now. Don't look like I do. No, maybe these. Let's try. Well, I'm gonna get the damn thing open. I'll give you all the sizes it is. If anything works in the link or the description, but it don't seem to be working, so I guess I have to get back on the Skiff Made Bearings website if I want to change these bearings. But nothing wrong with this knife. Like I said, it's got a beautiful action to begin with. I'm gonna just clean it up a little and put it back together. So forgive me if this video is long. I'm not gonna destroy this knife by rushing through it by any means. just some alcohol. It's kind of gunky, but still, I could probably make it accent a little different with the oil I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some 10 weight nano oil. Sticky Baron. So looks like the pivot comes through the show side of the scale with these little, I don't know what you call these little pins sticking out of the washers to keep it from turning, from free spinning. It's pretty good. Like that. Beautiful design, I can tell you that much. Not that I'm a knife maker by any means, just I've taken a couple of knives apart and I can see the insides of a lot of them, so you can tell this one was definitely well thought out. Good quality stuff in here. That one comes out too, the internal stop pin. Right. All right, let's put some alcohol on here. Felt like they had a heavy lubrication on there. Maybe some 85 weight nano oil is what it felt like. Felt like a heavy weight. I'm only gonna put 10 though. See what it does. Now it's time to put it back together. All right, let's see. All right. Put this on this side. Put some barons in there first. Put the baron in there. That would definitely make it better. I'll put one little drop in each hole, on each ball. All right. You guys you guys will probably find an easier way to put this together, but just to give you guys an idea of what to expect when you open this knife. Definitely a good knife if you can get your hands on a Brian Brown Yeager. Check him out. You can go check him out and follow him on Facebook. He's very much in touch with his followers. He's a knife maker that just knows Knows his shit real good. Good dude too. You don't mind answering any questions you got on his products. All right, let's see how this is gonna work. Pop, pop. That sounds right. Listen to me, that sounds right. Like I got no better. What an asshole. Thinks he knows this knife already. Took it apart one time. Alright, where's my freaking T7? First, this is gonna be my first disassemble video, guys, so be gentle if you comment on my video. See me doing something wrong, then I'm sure there's more than one way to skin a cat, so let's take this off. I don't want to put that much pressure on the pivot right now. All right, that's it. That's the spot. Taking my time not to scratch this disc because it's got a pretty finish on it and I don't want to scratch it. Look like it's perfectly centered. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, there you go. Brian Brown Yeager, disassembled and reassembled. Thank you.